Breathing in sawdust can be hazardous to your health, especially with prolonged exposure. Fine wood particles can irritate your nose, throat, and lungs, leading to coughing, sneezing, or difficulty breathing. Some types of wood contain natural toxins that can trigger allergic reactions or more severe respiratory issues. Long-term inhalation increases the risk of chronic lung conditions like asthma or even lung disease. Sawdust can also carry mold or bacteria, further worsening air quality. That is why it is highly recommended to get your air ducts professionally cleaned after a renovation. For more indoor air quality tips, follow and subscribe.